Hi guys, in today's video we are going to solve merge strings alternately in Leetcode. It is also present in Leetcode 75 series and it is categorized as easy. So let's read the problem statement. You are given two strings, word 1 and word 2. Okay, merge the strings by adding letters in alternating order starting with word 1. So we need to merge the strings by alternating letters from each strings, and the starting we should start it from word 1. Okay, if a string is longer than the other, append the additional letters onto the end of the merged strings. Okay, so if one string is longer than other, we need to add the additional letters in the end of the string. Let's see a few examples. Word 1, here word 1 is ABC and word 2 is PQR. So it has added like A, so okay, A from the word 1, A, then P from the word 2, then B from the word 1, Q from the word 2, C from the word 1. Yes, it is alternately added and written as APBQCR. Okay, fine. Here we have another example, ABPQRS. Here A and if you see here, A and P will be merged, sorry, it will be added, then B and Q. Here is the thing, the R and S of the remaining from the word 2 will be added in the last. If it is from the word 1, then it will be also added in the last. Let's have another example. So here word 1 will be A, B, C, D and word 2 will be PQ. Then merged string output will look like something like this, AP, BQ, CD. So one thing we have to note here is whatever the remaining letters are, it will be added in the end, irrespective of it is from the word 1 or word 2. So let's look at the algorithm, how to write the code. Okay, so definitely it's a string based problem, so we need to use strings. And after that, here one thing we have to notice, irrespective of the word length, we need to iterate it the minimum of word 1 or word 2, minimum of word 1 or word 2. For example, in this example 2, ABPQ, these has to be added through two iterations. So we need to find here in example 3, we need to iterate it also twice. So we need to find what is the minimum string between word 1 and word 2, then add the remaining with the result of the alternate strings. So the algorithm will go like this. First we need to find the minimum of word 1 and word 2. Second, after alternately merge each string. Third, so if we have anything remaining, we need to add it in end. So it's a easier problem to solve. Let's look at the code. You see here, I have declared three variables. One is I. Let me tell you why it is in a moment, why it is declared here instead of in the for loop. Int n equal to math.minimum of word 1 dot length and word 2 dot length. Why we are finding minimum is we need to do minimum number of iterations of the word which is smaller. Okay, so string result equal to empty, it will be our output string. So I am doing the iteration here. For I equal to 0, I less than n, which is minimum of the words. It could be 2, let's say if the word length is 2, word 1 length is 2, word 2 length is 4, word 1 length is 2 and word 2 length is 4, 2 iteration will happen. In that iteration, word 1 dot caret I, first word 1 will appear as per the question and word 2. So here just a string, not to add the 2 characters. Okay, and we are appending it to the result string. Fine. After that, we'll have in case if word 1 is smaller than word 2 or vice versa, we need to add the extra strings. That's why we have declared int I here globally, locally inside the method, but not inside the for loop. so that we could keep track of how many letters as completed. Okay, if n less than word 1 dot length, which means if word 1 is less than word 1 has maximum number of letters. If word 1 has four letters and word 2 has 2 letters, which means n should be less than word 1, right? So result will be added with the word 1 dot substring. That's why we need to return result plus word 1 dot substring of I. We had completed iterations here, so it will go like this. And return result plus word 2 dot substring of I is mentioned here because if the word 2 is larger than word 1, or if both the strings are same also, not an issue, because word 2 dot substring will be empty. If in case of word 1 is larger, this will execute. In case if word 2 is larger, at the same time if it is empty, this will execute. So it's easier to solve. Let's see on the another video, guys. Thank you.